we are going. This brother, gold and green train. Oh yes, we are good. We are good.
First ride, we're going to go up to the castle up there and then probably down to the marina and then back to the marina. It looks like it's going to rain. Speculating now. Bring you back in a minute. There's the radio tower. I went once, never again. As you can see, it's raining out there. I think I'm going to head back to La Marina.
We are going. We are going. We are going. We are going. This red, gold and a green train. And this red, gold and a green train. We are going, we are going, we are going. And this red, gold and a green train. And this red, gold and a green train. One stop. One stop. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. You mind tell me where I could find the train station? Do you mind tell me where I could find the train station, sir? Thank you. Tickets. Tickets.
Back from Guardamar, been to the castle, started raining, it's rained all the way back, it's just easing off a little bit now.
We are going.